Your boy is back, man, and this one is like, how, Sway? Like, how do you get a shoe to this point? Like, my mans ain't take these off since they came out. Like, how do you get a shoe to this point? Like, they squished, they filthy. You would have thought he had these for years, man. It amazes me that customers bring me shoes like this that just came out. Like, you would have thought these was 5 to 6 years old, man. These only a few months, maybe. Let's get to it, man. Man, you know, we start every cleaning with blue soap only, man. I'm going to start off with these soles first because when I started, I'm like, damn, these soles tough as hell. You can hear me in my voiceover. I'm cussing. I'm getting frustrated because that shit would not come off. Like, I had to put so much elbow grease into this shoe, man. But slowly but surely, I start seeing improvements. But a deep cleaning with some wire brushes and little bristle brushes to get it decent. But you can still hear it was super tough to get this out. Come on now, you know your boy got all the tricks in the trade. That's why I feed y'all the game, because I want to see y'all eating, man. You ever got a tough stain? Get a little bit of fingernail polish remover, a cotton ball, man. I guarantee you come out. Now, I ain't gonna lie. If it's still there after the cotton ball, that motherfucker most likely not coming out. But this little trick right here get majority of the stains out. Now look at the difference, night and day, man. A little elbow grease, cleaning, soap, water, fingernail polish remover. To get them stains right, get your soles back in the game. That's the trick people don't want to tell you. Now I'm gonna finish this deep cleaning with a soft bristle brush for the uppers. That's all you want to use for the uppers. You don't want to use that wire brush. That wire brush can possibly damage that upper. So use a soft bristle brush for the top. Get all the stains out. Might take a while, man. You see it got some in the collar, everything. I just had to go back, hit it again, and make sure I clean the shoe right. A huge difference after the deep cleaning on the uppers and the soles, man. But I gotta do something about these creases. They killing me. But I tell people this all the time. Listen up, people. The crease boys. Shoes are not made out of metal. Y'all ain't trying to hear all that. Y'all want to know how to get these creases out y'all shoes, man. I'm going to show y'all the shoe guy way. First thing first, stuff the shoe with plastic bags. When I say stuff it till you feel that toe area can't stuff no more. The next step, make sure you get a white shirt. A dingy one, don't use your new shirts. Damp it a little bit with some water. This is a very important part so you don't burn your shoes. I don't know, man. I'm laughing. I'm kind of silly at this part, man. Like I might sound dirty. I might sound dirty if I say this, but it's whatever. Y'all tell me in the comment section. Do people still iron their clothes these days? Like, everybody got an iron in their crib, but do they really iron? I have not ironed my clothes since I was a kid, like high school, and that was a long time ago. So, but with the depth, anyway, and with the damp shirt, put it over the shoe that's creased. The damp shirt prevents you from burning your shoe, but make sure you don't sit on the same spot forever. Just go around the shoe, just get the creases out, hit all the spots that's heavily creased. In 5-10 minutes, your shoe gonna come back crispy like you just got them out the box, man. But y'all tell me in the comment section, because I don't iron my clothes. Gotta show y'all proof that the iron method works, man. I'm taking out all the little plastic bags that got the shoes all stuffed up, and look how the shoe is popped up clean again. I'm gonna do it before and after. Like, your shoe back in the game, and that is how you get creases out your shoe. And it's that simple, just the ironing method, but just be careful. After the deep cleaning, the uncreasing, man, I just looked at the shoe, man. I thought I was done, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna give him one session of unyellowing, and you know I gotta use the almighty Dre sauce. And I appreciate everybody that purchased in the past, man. The reviews to this day is still crazy, man. But a nice session doing the indoor method, man. It's too hot in Chicago right now, like too hot. If it's outside and it's 90-something degrees, 100 degrees, do not put your shoes outside. Do the indoor method, man. 12 to 16-hour sessions. I like to put them in there for 24 hours, but it'll get your shoe back in the game. White, crispy, indoor method to be safe. with that all said and being done, we done with the restoration. Customer had replacement laces. Finish. If this video helped in any kind of way, man, I appreciate your like, subscribe, comment, follow all social medias, man. I apologize for the delay, man. Something came up. If you follow the social media, you know it was a little delay for a reason, man. But I'm back. Definitely dropping more videos, more work coming. I'm being consistent, but I'm gonna drop some videos for sure.